Recently, the Cleveland Metroparks Zoo announced it would be temporarily closing the Rainforest September 10th, 2024 for extensive renovations. This will include reworking the entrance, creating a new primate forest that will include relocating the gorillas to this new exhibit, as well as providing the orangutans with an outdoor space. In addition, they will be updating to have new exhibits, play structures for children, and it will include a new updated dining as well as retail spaces. During construction, many animals will remain in the structure out of the public eye and will be taken care of by the staff, while many others have already been removed. The initial phase of work is expected to be completed by 2026, while the full renovation will be completed by 2032 in anticipation of the zoo's 150th anniversary. Opening in 1992, some portions of the rainforest serve as a relic to the past, signaling the need for this renovation. Having grown up going to this attraction, we wanted to get one last peek as well as archive how the rainforest looked and felt before its upcoming glow-up. Entering the rainforest has always been an experience as you are faced with the 25-foot-tall waterfall before making your way down the Medicine Trail surrounded by real tropical plants. At the fork we enter the lower forest, housing an array of amphibians, reptiles, bats, a large porcupine exhibit, and the lower monkey exhibit.
Here at Cleveland Metroparks Zoo, we're committed to securing a future for wildlife, and we're working around the world to address the threats to wild animals and their habitats. Thanks to the support of our community, we have dedicated over $7 million in the past 20 years to conservation projects that promote wildlife survival and benefit local people. We all have a responsibility to protect wildlife for future generations. Join our efforts to secure a future for wildlife around the world.
Wildlife protection officers and rangers, and conducting science-based conservation efforts in Southeast Asia.
Here at Cleveland Metroparks Zoo, we're committed to securing a future for wildlife, and we're working around the world to address the threats to wild animals and their habitats. Thanks to the support of our community, we have dedicated over $7 million in the past 20 years to conservation projects that promote wildlife survival and benefit local people. We all have a responsibility to protect wildlife for future generations. Join our efforts to secure a future for wildlife around the world.
Turtles and tortoises have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. Nearly 1/3 of all freshwater turtles.
In a lot of this section, the wear and tear is quite apparent, as is the numerous empty exhibits.
Here at Cleveland Metroparks Zoo, we're committed to securing a future for wildlife, and we're working around the world to address the threats to wild animals and their habitats. Thanks to the support of our community, we have dedicated over $7 million in the past 20 years to conservation projects that promote wildlife survival and benefit local people. We all have a responsibility to protect wildlife for future generations.
This porcupine exhibit is quite neat in its simulation of a rainy night in the forest. The Fa Gariel skull is one of my favorite items here. As a kid, the simulation of cutting down the rainforest terrified me, so it definitely has an impact on generations. Back on the medicine trail, if we head straight, we can head upstairs to the upper jungle by ramp, the elevator, or the most fun from the inside of a tree.
we did.
At the top is where we encounter the research station with many props throughout and exhibit viewing windows. Outside we encounter an aviary where birds are free to fly around. The birds, however, were rather sparse this time. As we continue, we also encounter an anteater and a lot of foliage. Exiting the aviary, we are led to a sleepy fella, a leopard, as well as the monkeys we saw in the lower jungle. They even had a baby monkey. Finally, we were at the main attraction, the orangutans. On our visit, it was warm and they seemed to be enjoying the fan blowing on them quite a bit. I'm excited for the renovation they will be receiving to be able to enjoy more space as well as be outside. Unfortunately, the otters have been removed, it seems. Across the otters is a nice retired outhouse. As we exit the lower forest, and to the left of the entrance is the cafe, gift shop, dining areas, and an upstairs area that's used for weddings and banquets. Apologies for not filming the bathrooms or upstairs. There is also additional seating outside. Thank you for watching.